What if the universe itself could tremble? What if the very fabric of reality, space and time, could ripple, echoing the most violent events ever to occur? For over a century, this was just a wild prediction from Einstein's equations, a beautiful mathematical idea that no one believed could ever be proven. But then, in 2015, humanity heard the universe for the very first time. A faint signal, lasting just a fraction of a second, confirmed one of the greatest scientific discoveries in history: gravitational waves. Before we dive deeper into the cosmic symphony of spacetime, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Deep Space Explained, where we unravel the hidden forces shaping our universe. Because what if these invisible ripples are not just echoes of cosmic collisions, but clues to the ultimate nature of reality itself? In 1916, Albert Einstein revolutionized physics with his general theory of relativity. He proposed something extraordinary: that gravity isn't a force pulling on objects, but rather the warping of space-time caused by mass and energy. Imagine a trampoline with a bowling ball at its center. The ball creates a curve, and smaller marbles rolling nearby spiral toward it, not because of an invisible pull, but because the fabric itself is bent. Einstein's equations also predicted that massive events, like colliding stars or black holes, could send ripples through this cosmic fabric. These ripples would travel at the speed of light, stretching and squeezing space as they passed. But Einstein himself doubted they could ever be detected. After all, how could we possibly measure a vibration smaller than a single atom, caused by an event billions of light years away?
For decades, gravitational waves remained a theoretical dream. Physicists knew they must exist, but the signals would be unimaginably faint, weaker than the movement of a proton. Then came LIGO, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. Two gigantic detectors, one in Washington and another in Louisiana, built to do the impossible: detect the sound of space-time itself. Each LIGO observatory uses laser beams traveling down 4-kilometer-long tunnels, perfectly aligned to cancel each other out. If a gravitational wave passes through Earth, it slightly distorts space, changing the distance the laser travels by less than 1/10,000th the width of a proton. It's like trying to measure the distance between Earth and the nearest star, and noticing a change smaller than the size of a single atom. But why would scientists spend decades and billions of dollars chasing a signal so faint it might never come?
Then, on September 14, 2015, everything changed. At exactly 5:51 a.m., LIGO detected a tiny vibration. It lasted 0.2 seconds. It was so faint that it could have easily been dismissed as noise. But when scientists analyzed the data, they realized what they had captured: the final death spiral of two black holes, each about 30 times the mass of our Sun, colliding more than 1 billion light years away. That tiny blip was the sound of space-time itself trembling. For the first time in history, humanity didn't just see the universe. We heard it. And what those waves revealed would change our understanding of the cosmos forever.
When light cannot escape, gravitational waves can. Unlike electromagnetic radiation, they are not blocked or absorbed by matter. They travel undisturbed across the cosmos, carrying with them pure information about the events that created them. By studying their shape, scientists can reconstruct what happened: the mass of the colliding objects, their distance, even how fast they were spinning before merging. It's like
hearing a cosmic fingerprint, a unique vibration from the universe's most extreme phenomena. Since that first detection, LIGO and its European counterpart Virgo have recorded dozens of signals from black holes and neutron star collisions. Each wave adds a new piece to the grand puzzle of the universe. But what if gravitational waves could reveal not only distant collisions, but entire hidden realms of physics we've never seen?
For centuries, astronomy was a visual science: telescopes, light, and images. But gravitational wave astronomy has opened an entirely new sense, a way to listen to the universe. Scientists call it multi-messenger astronomy. When a gravitational wave is detected, telescopes across the world rush to find the same event in light, radio, or X-rays. Together, they form a complete picture, both sight and sound of the cosmos. The 2017 detection of two neutron stars merging was the first event ever seen in both gravitational waves and visible light. It explained where gold, platinum, and heavy elements in our universe come from, forged in the violent hearts of these collisions. But as technology improves, what else might we hear? Could future detectors reveal the birth of black holes, or even the echo of the Big Bang itself? The next generation of detectors, like LISA, the Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, will float in space, millions of kilometers apart. They'll be able to detect much lower frequency waves, ripples from supermassive black holes millions of times the mass of the Sun. Others, like the proposed Einstein telescope and Cosmic Explorer, aim to reach sensitivity levels unimaginable today, potentially listening to gravitational murmurs from the early universe itself. These projects could let us detect the faint vibrations from the first moments after the Big Bang, when space-time itself was born. If we can truly hear the beginning of time, could we finally answer the greatest question of all? Why does the universe exist at all?
Gravitational waves have transformed how we perceive the cosmos. They confirmed Einstein's most daring prediction, opened a new era of astronomy, and allowed us to witness events once thought invisible forever. But perhaps the most haunting revelation is this: every collision, every merger, every ripple in space-time is a story, a message from the universe itself. Somewhere, right now, billions of light years away, two black holes might be colliding, and their final heartbeat will one day reach us as a whisper through the fabric of reality. So, the next time you look at the night sky, remember, the universe isn't silent, it's singing. We've just begun to listen. If you enjoyed this journey through the echoes of space-time, hit that like button, subscribe to Deep Space Explained, and stay tuned, because the next wave might just reveal the deepest secret of the cosmos.